Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 21 lecture series, we will explore how to send the data from one activity to another activity in Android. Okay, with some example. Okay, we have one activity. In that activity, we have a button. That button is called send data. When we click on that button, the data will be sent into activity, and that data will be displayed on the text view of the activity 2. Okay, so activity 1 contains a button and the activity 2 will contains a text view. So let us explore this example. So start your Android Studio, from file, new project, empty activity, my application, send data using intent. Okay, so language is Java, API level is 15, click on finish. So the project is loading now. Okay, so it has been loaded. So we will delete this text view and simply we will add a button. Okay, so this is what I am adding the button over here. Set the coordinates for this button. Okay, send value. Okay, this is what send a value, and I will create another activity. So from main activity, new activity and empty activity. Okay, main activity 2. Okay, click on finish. We have two activity. On this activity I will add a text view. Okay, so here is the text view. I will set the value from activity 1 to this text view. Okay, so in the main activity we have button. I will create the object of button B, map the button, okay, so on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, so I will create the intent I, for example, new intent. Okay, so main activity dot this is our main activity, and where we want to go, main 2 activity dot class. Okay, dot class. Now here we will create a bundle B equal to new bundle. Okay, and we will add our values to the bundle. B dot put string. Okay, here we have to give the key, my new key. Okay, and the value say welcome Android. Okay, and here I dot put extras bundle B, then start activity I. Okay, so this is what we have implemented in activity 1. We are sending this value welcome Android to the activity 2. So now in activity 2 we have text view TV. Okay, so whatever value coming from activity 1 we will set to the text view. TV equal to text view, find view by id, r dot id dot text view. Okay, so now here we will have the bundle. Okay, bundle, and then we will get the intent. Okay, and get extras. Now we will retrieve the value from this bundle. Okay, and bundle dot get a string, and here we have to pass the key. The key should be same. Okay, the key should be same. Okay, and now this value we will set to the TV dot set text val. We will increase the size of text view. TV dot set text size, text size to, for example, say 30, and TV dot set text color, dot red. So this is the value which is coming from activity 1. Import the class, alt enter to import the class. Okay, now let us run this configuration. Activity is launching very soon. You can see activity 1 has the button send value. We are sending the value, and the value is sent to the next activity and set to the text view welcome Android. Okay, so if you change this message, the value will be changed. Okay, if we change the key, then the corresponding key we have to change also. Okay, so corresponding key we have to change also. Okay, so now let us run this configuration. So when we click on send value, the value will be say welcome Android hello, that the value which we have sent. This key from the activity 1 should be matched with this key in activity 2. Okay, so we wrap this value into the bundle and we send the bundle via intent, and in intent we get the bundle, and from that we extract the string and we set this value to the text view. Okay, so this is what how to send the value from one activity to another activity. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel to get the latest update about Android projects, and if you like this one, then don't forget to comment and like to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.